Hi everyone, this is Sheldon. Remember I was talking to you guys about the potato. I showed you guys the potato video and how to plant the potato. Well, the potato has grown really big. I mean, really big, really big, big, right? And the potato is doing really well. You can see here from the picture and then the video. The plant has gotten really tall, and so it desperately needs the soil to keep growing and keep developing. Okay, so soil is in. Plant is looking really strong and nice. No diseases, no pests, nothing affecting the leaves. Before I wet the soil, I wanted to show you guys what I wet most of my seedlings with. So you're seeing this here, and I know what you're thinking. Oh gosh, Sheldon, look how dirty that water is. That water really dirty. Oh my gosh, you're gonna give the plant dirty? No, it's not dirty water. This is actually compost tea, right? So my wife, Wanda, she has a little compost tower that we throw all our scraps in, and the scraps broken down by the maggots, whatever, worms, they turn that stuff into a liquid, and the liquid can then be drained out and throw and pour into your water, right? So that is what this is, and that is why this plant is so green and strong and rich. I wonder if you eat the leaves. I don't know if you eat the leaves actually. I've never read that anywhere, but I guess it's green. It could be edible. We'll see. So it's doing well, right? So I wanted to update you guys as to what you do now that the potato has reached this size. Now, forgive me, I was really busy. Things got out of hand, and the plant actually grew very tall. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was supposed to get soil incrementally. Remember I had said that, right? Top up, put a little more soil, grow higher. You get the idea. Now you might be asking, what is it that is so different between buying potatoes at the store and buying and growing your own potatoes? Well, I have some benefits for you. Well, first off, the potato is sweeter. It's much more juicy, and let me tell you, right? I have grown potatoes. I've bought potatoes. The one that you buy, starchy, more dry, more, it tastes nice because you don't know better. But when you grow your potato, let me tell you, the thing it feels fresh, and it tastes sweeter. All right, that's the first benefit. The second benefit is that it's fun. You are intrigued. You are seeing your own potato grow. Yes, trust me. And when you grow your potatoes and you take them out and you take a little picture, snap up, and you put it up on your social media, or you share it with friends or family, you feel that pride, that deuces, that peace, that love. You feel it. You get that sense of, I could go further. So the third benefit is that you save money because you're growing your potatoes, right? You are growing your potatoes, and if you use potatoes regularly, then you grow a lot of potatoes. They all come at once, and you then save them, right? You can actually cut them up and put them away, or you let them stay out, and you can actually seed potatoes from the ones you grew. All right, so the third benefit is that you save money. Yes.
Hi.
Right. So this is Lemuel. The fourth benefit is about understanding how potatoes can act as a form of reducing your blood pressure. And so with that, I am not telling you that you must use potatoes to reduce your blood pressure. No, you go see your doctor. I can't make that claim. Right. So now that you've grown your potatoes, you're probably wondering, what should I do with all of these potatoes? Well, you cook them. You have different recipes you can try. Or you give them away, or you replant some of them, right? But you have your recipes that you can try. Oh my goodness, you have French fries, or you can do wedges, or you can do mashed potatoes or hash browns, or you can put it in stewed chicken, or you could put it, oh my goodness, you could do curry chicken with roti. Oh gum, all you don't start, man, don't start. Potato. Woo! I miss Trini food. So you have your recipes and you make sure that you eat healthy. You make sure you do it well, that your kids can benefit from it, how you do it. Don't boil out all the nutrients. Don't cook away all the strongness. No, keep it nice. Keep it simple, right? You can do really nice, you see, baked potatoes. Let me tell you, it's all you started me, all you started me. Alright. Potatoes are wonderful. Right, and we're not only going to do videos on potatoes. Of course, I have tomatoes, I have lettuce, I have cabbage, I have, and when I say I mean Wanda and we, right? If you would like to follow Caribbean Home Veggies on YouTube, you just have to search for it. You'll see it, and you'll see more videos there as well. So this is Sheldon. I'll see you in the next video. You want to say something?
Yeah. This is when we are signing off.
Okay.